Hello everyone, welcome to the third tutorial on Manim. In this session we'll remind ourselves with the basic animation structure and we'll explore Manim's configuration settings, including how to change the background color of your video and adjust the size of the video. First, we'll do a quick recap on the basic structure of every animation, and then we'll see how to change the configuration for a specific animation. First, we import Manim and all of its functions, then we create a class that inherits from scene, and don't worry about it, just remember that every animation must have this class and then the name of your video and in parentheses scene, as well as the line below def construct self. This will always be the case for every animation. Then we create a blue circle with 50% opacity and a green square with 50% opacity, but note that these objects are just created in memory. In other words, nothing will appear in the rendered output video as you see. Only when we call self.play on some animation like create, something happens. Then we insert a pause with self.wait, which can be modified to be as long as you want. Just plug in the number of seconds you want to wait. After that, we transform the blue circle into the green rectangle and wait again for 1 second. And now Manim allows us to change some properties of the output video by using the following lines of code. For example, to change the background color of the video, just use config.backgroundColor and then specify a color. You can use the Manim color class to do so. Just plug in a hex code for a color, which you can generate by googling color picker, for example, and that's it. You can also change the height and width of the output video by specifying config.pixelWidth and config.pixelHeight. Now I'll share with you the configuration I use for my videos. Here you have one for YouTube style videos with a horizontal aspect ratio, and for TikTok or Instagram Reel style video with a vertical aspect ratio. We have also two additional configurations. First, the config.verbosity equals warning means that you won't get a lot of log messages while you're rendering your video. It looks much cleaner that way. The other line, config.disable caching equals true, is useful when we have updaters in our scenes. For this tutorial, I'll upload a Jupyter Notebook file which will contain the code which you can run with detailed descriptions. Thank you for supporting Explain Stuff.